Well, hi there pluckers, Arvis All Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had from one of my viewers for a lovely song from Lewis Capaldi called Something Borrowed, and this lesson's based on the demo version which you can find on YouTube. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Lewis Capaldi. Okay, without more to do, I'm going to try and go through the whole song from start to finish without too many mistakes, and then I'm going to break it down and show you how I played it. Hopefully you'll find it easy and be able to play it fairly soon after watching the lesson. Okay. My singing obviously is not going to be the same as Lewis Capaldi. It's just for reference purposes so we know where we are in the song. Okay, so without more to do, let's get to it. I've been feeling every second since she told me we were through. Been going hell for liver, 'cause there's nothing else to do. She stumbled through some problems, said, "You're only wrong in me, but I've been missing something, bring your body home to me. I'm wasting my time, I'm trying to find the truth in between the lies. I'm wasting my time, replaying conversations running round in my mind. Yeah, didn't wanna be a lovely girl, been getting my guy on my own, 'cause I'll always be holding on to something wrong. Didn't wanna sing myself away for long nights, wasted days, singing her name like something. I'm only getting older, feeling sorry for myself. Been wondering who she's holding, is playing havoc with my health. I'm wasting my time, I'm trying to find any truth between the lines. I'm wasting my time, replaying conversations running round in my mind. Yeah, didn't want to be lovely girl, better getting by on my own, guess I'll always be holding on to something more. Didn't want to sing myself away for long nights, wasted days, singing her name like something borrowed. Be tough with your love when I'm talking too much. Be tough with your love, gotta sober me up. Be tough with your love when I'm talking too much. Be tough with your love, gotta sober me up. Yeah, didn't wanna let go, better getting by on my own, 'cause I'll always be holding on to something more. Didn't wanna sing myself away for long nights, wasted days, saying times like something borrowed. Do 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 do. This kind of love is like something borrowed. Yes, close, not close enough, but close. So let's get to it. Right, it starts off with a sequence of chords. It's A, C sharp, A bar chord, 5th fret. Okay, I'm playing A bar chord, 5th fret. If you want, you can play a straightforward A chord, open chord if you like, but I think it sounds better with a bar chord. Okay, as per Lewis Capaldi plays. Okay, so A bar chord. I've been feeling every second. Then it goes into a C sharp minor 7th, right? That's a 4th fret bar chord, minor shape with pinky off. That's a C sharp minor 7th. Okay. So I've been feeling every second since she, C sharp minor 7th, told me we were through. F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord, and the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, the A string and the D string fretted. Or you can play a straight simple one, just borrowing the first 3 strings, first finger, 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. Okay, whichever you want. Okay, so from the beginning. I've been feeling every second since she told me we were through. Been going hell for leather, 'cause there's nothing that we can do. That's a D chord on nothing else to do. Okay, so once again, I've been feeling every second since she told me we were through. Been going hell for leather, 'cause there's nothing else to do. And you just repeat the whole thing now. And she stumbled through some problems, said, "You're the only wrong in me." F sharp minor, but I've been missing something. D, bring your body home to me. Right, then we go into the pre-chorus. C sharp minor 7th again. We play the chord and then there's a little bit of a pause before we start singing. Okay. Am I wasting my F sharp minor time? D. Oh, I'm trying to find any truth in between the A lies. Again, C sharp minor 7th. Am I wasting my F sharp minor time? D. Replaying conversations running E major around in my mind. And then we go into the chorus. Okay, so let's do the whole first bit, a couple of verses and the pre-chorus. Okay, so here we go. I've been feeling every second since you told me we were through. Been going hell forever, 'cause there's nothing else to do. And she stumbled through some problems, said, "You're the only wrong in me, but I've been missing something. Bring your body home to me." Pre-chorus. Am I wasting my time trying to find the truth between the lies? Okay, C sharp minor 7th again. Am I wasting my F sharp minor time? D, replaying conversations running around in my mind. Then we go into the chorus. Okay, so let's go into the chorus. Right, the chorus is A. Didn't want to be a love, let go, C sharp minor 7th. Barely getting by on my own, F sharp minor. Guess I'll always be holding on to D. Something borrowed. Repeat the whole thing. Didn't want to sing by myself, C sharp minor 7th. Long nights and wasted days, F sharp minor. Saying her name like, and then when you get to the D, the second time it's just a single strum. Okay, something borrowed. Then we go into another short verse. So let's do the whole thing so far then. Okay, so here we go. I've been feeling every second since she told me we were through. Been going hell forever, 'cause there's nothing else to do. And she stumbled through the problems, said, "You're the only wrong in me, I've been missing something. Bring your body home to me. Am I wasting my time? Oh, I'm trying to find the truth between the lies. Am I wasting my time? Replaying conversations running round in my mind." Chorus. Didn't want to be a love, let go. Better getting by on my own. Guess I'll always be holding on to something borrowed. Didn't want to sing by myself, away the nights and wasted days. Say their name like something borrowed. That's as far as we've got. Then we go into another short verse. Okay, A. I'm only getting older, C sharp minor 7th. Feeling sorry for myself, F sharp minor. Been wondering who she's holding, D. Is playing havoc with my hell. Then we go into another pre-chorus again. C sharp minor 7th, sorry, C sharp minor 7th. Am I wasting my time? D. Trying to find the truth in between the lies, A. C sharp minor 7th. Am I wasting my time, F sharp minor? D. D, replaying conversations, E, round in my mind, and off into another chorus. Okay, so that short verse is coming out of saying a name as something borrowed, and then into the short verse. I'm only getting older, feeling sorry for myself, been running through she's always playing havoc with my head, and I'm wasting my time. Oh, I'm trying to find any truth between the lies. I'm wasting my time, replaying conversations running around in my mind. Chorus. Didn't want to be a lovely girl, did mine on my own. Guess I'll always be holding on to something borrowed, and I'll see myself long nights and wasted days, something back to something borrowed. Then we go into this middle bridge section, okay, and it's basically be tough with your love when I'm talking too much, right? So it goes into A, be tough with your love when I'm F sharp minor, talking too much, to E, be tough with your love when you D, sober me up. A, repeat the whole thing, be tough with your love when I'm talking too much. E, tough with your love when you D, sober me up. Chorus. I'll always be holding on to something borrowed. Didn't want to stand by myself away on nights and wasted days, taking the name of something borrowed. Now this is the ending, okay? A, do 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 do, C sharp minor 7th, da 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 da, F sharp minor. This kind of love is like D, something borrowed. Okay, and that rundown is D, D, C sharp minor 7th, 2 frets down, B minor 7th. It's just a B minor bar chord with the pinky offs, so it's 2 frets down from the C sharp minor 7th. Okay, so that whole, and then you end up with a single A stroke strum for the finish. Okay, so it's comes into that last bit. C sharp minor 8 or C sharp minor 7. The kind of love like D, C sharp minor 7th, B minor 7, A. The kind of love like something borrowed. Okay. So there you have it. Hopefully you'll make some sense out of that. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.